The world's energy map just shifted again. The United States has imposed sweeping sanctions on Russia's biggest oil giants, and while the target is Moscow, the tremors are being felt all the way to New Delhi. Let's break down how this move could reshape India's energy strategy and global diplomacy. US President Donald Trump has announced new sanctions on Rosneft and Lukoil, Russia's two largest oil firms that fund the Kremlin's war in Ukraine. The move follows similar actions by Britain and the European Union, which have already banned Russian LNG imports. These companies together handle nearly half of Russia's crude exports, meaning the impact will ripple far beyond Russian borders. Soon after the announcement, Brent crude prices jumped over 5%, touching around $66 per barrel, their sharpest rise in months. The sudden spike reflects growing fears that supply disruptions from Russia, one of the world's top oil exporters, could upset already fragile global markets. Even though the production remains worldwide high, uncertainty and political risk are once again driving prices up. Since 2022, India has emerged as the largest buyer of discounted Russian oil, importing over 1.7 million barrels a day. Those cheap barrels have kept domestic fuel prices stable and helped manage inflation. But with Rosneft and Lukoil now being blacklisted, Indian refiners like IOCL, BPCL, and HPCL are re-examining their purchase contracts to avoid any direct links to these firms. The challenge lies in balancing affordable energy with the risk of secondary sanctions or diplomatic friction with the US and its allies. Finding alternative suppliers or rerouting trade through intermediaries could be costly and time-consuming. This episode underscores India's delicate act, maintaining strategic autonomy in foreign policy while safeguarding energy security at home. If India scales back Russian imports, it may deepen cooperation with Middle Eastern producers, diversifying its supply basket and accelerate renewable energy efforts. Meanwhile, Russia could lean even more on China, tightening the energy axis of Eurasia and reshaping the global order. The US sanctions on Russian oil are not just about punishing Moscow, they are redrawing the world's energy equations. For India, the road ahead is about navigating a turbulent oil market without compromising its growth, stability, or strategic balance.